is half full, so it means A minus B is the close 4 and close 5. And also, if you want to find B minus A, we check. B is the red, so this is red. We make a shaded, and this area we check. 2 is not in the group, or 2 is not in A. Therefore, outside or the group is have 2. That's all. So B minus A is close 1 and close 2. It's very important for the size of inequality. When we want to solve linear inequality, the important symbol, the first, less than. The second is greater than. The third, less than or equal. The fourth is greater than or equal. The last is not equal to. And antibody equality contains one more variable term, such as x greater than 4, 3x greater than or equal to 15, x minus 3 is less than or equal to 8, and 7x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 4x plus 7. They are linear inequality in the variable x because power x is 1. But x squared minus x minus 6 less than or equal to 0 is not linear equality because the grades or determining is true. For this chapter, we showed about linear, this means the power of x is 1. And it's important for us if we know the property of inequality, because when we want to solve different form equation, so I'm going to tell you about the properties of equality. The first addition property. If A is less than B, then we add both sides of equality by C. They are the same. A, B, and C are real number. If A is greater than B, then we add C. And both sides of this inequality is true. Next, the second positive multiplicator property. If A less than B and C belong to the positive real number, then AC is less than BC. Take a look. Is less than the first. Less than C said. If A is greater than B and C belong to the positive real number, then AC is greater than BC. Take a look. This is greater than. This is greater than. Because it's not different, then we multiply by the positive real number. But the third is important for us and you. Negative multiplication property. If A is less than B and C belong to the negative real number, then look, AC is greater than BC. This is very important for you. Attention, please. A is less than B, but when you multiply by negative number, it changes to opposite direction. Is less than b, greater than b, c, ac greater than bc. And also, if a is greater than b and c is belong to the negative real number, then ac is less than bc. Take a look at this with more accurate. Is greater than, is less than. Next, I will show you an example of how we can solve inequality in one variable. I show 16 minus 12 is less than 8. First, we get it in our image, the constant 16. We take negative 16 plus both sides of this inequality plus 16 minus 2x less than 8 plus negative 16. This one is 0. 0 we call identity of addition. 0 plus this number is number. That is negative 2x is less than 8 plus negative 16 is negative 8. How we can find x only? Because already usually when you want to find x from equation or inequality, we try to change the coefficient. Here is 1. How we can change negative 2 in 1? We multiply by 1, negative 1 over 2 in both sides of this inequality. This negative 2x. From the property, it's important if we multiply by the negative number, the sign of inequality is reversed in opposite dimension. It means it's greater than negative 1 over 2 multiplied into 8. I show it's clear for you. From this one is I show it red color because it's important. Next, this one we can compute on rising platform. Minus pi minus 6 plus 2 divided 2 is 1. Therefore, 1x is greater than minus pi minus is what is plus 1 over 2 multiplies we can reduce 4. Then x is greater than 4. If we show on number line, we can show that is 4 is white circle because 4 is not included in this equal. 4 and every number is greater than 4. This means every number to the right side of 4. This white circle, this means 4 excludes from this equal. If one short is over 4 and infinity. Next, I show you about equality simply as this. It's very simple for us to solve this equality. This is we divide to what? This is 2x minus 7 is less than or equal to 6 minus 10x. 4x plus 5 is less than 2x minus 7. We do the first, that is 4x plus 5 less than 2x minus 7 first. How we can find x? Is have x is left side and x is right side. Usually, when we want to solve equation equality, x or variable is the left side. So we get this 2x here. 4x plus negative 2x plus 5 is less than 2x plus negative 2x minus 7. Yes, I would like to get this 2x in this side, right side, I plus negative 2x, both sides of this equation. 4x plus negative 2x is 2x plus 5 less than 0. 0 plus negative 7 is negative 7. Why? Because 0 we call identity of addition. 0 plus a is a. Next, 5 is constant. Usually is in the right side of equation or equality. Therefore, we get this 5. 2x plus 5 plus negative 5 is less than negative 7 plus negative 5. This I and is both sides of this equation. Therefore, 2x plus 0 is 0. So the rate is 2x less than negative 12. Negative 7 plus negative 5 is negative 12. We want 1x. We want to make coefficient of x is 1. This is 2. How? We multiply by 1 over 2, both sides of this equality. Maybe I use sport with multiplication. 2x less than 1 over 2 multiply negative 12. It's not change in the opposite direction because we multiply by the positive number. Positive number, the same. Then x is less than negative 6. This side, left side, finish here. Wait. And 2x minus 7 is less than or equal to 6 minus 10x. We try to solve inequalities like the first. That is, check. X. We try to get this x in this side. The right side. You see, this means 2x plus 10x minus 7 less than or equal to 6 minus 10x plus 10x. I want to get this negative 10x, so I plus 10x this side. Then 12x minus 7 is less than or equal to 6. Negative 10x plus 10x is 0. Third identity of addition is the rate is 6. We get this 7. 12x minus 7 plus 7 is less than or equal to 6 plus 7. Then 12x is less than or equal to 13. The same. We would like to change coefficient of x is 1. How? We multiply by 1 over 12. 12x less than or equal to 1 over 12 multiply 13. This is positive number. Therefore, the sign don't change. It's the same. Then x is less than or equal to 13 over 12. When we want to answer, we take two parts. There's the first and second to intersection on the line. Before we answer, I show you. Because and is mean
intersection